guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're doing a Slytherin inspired makeup look, and I know it looks very dark and a lot, but this is Slytherin. This is Slytherin's house. This is what we do. Also, do you like my sweater? Because team captain Slytherin, like, I'm just really feeling it today. So anyway, stay tuned for how to do this look. But now we're gonna go ahead and get into the eye makeup part of this tutorial. So just come a little closer. Just come here. Just come real close. Hey guys, we're gonna do a tutorial today. Okay, I don't know. I feel like it's like crazy close whenever I'm like super close. I feel very, very close and intimate with everyone. First thing we're gonna do is go in with this Too Faced eyeshadow Insurance, and we're gonna use that to prime our eyelids.
So, and then you just move your hands. Also, make sure that your your fingers and your hands are washed. Also, I don't think I said this before, but I did go ahead and just put on, like, I didn't put on foundation, but I put on,
I was debating on if I should do this tutorial as a me talking to you like this, or if I should do a voiceover, and I just decided, you know, this would probably be best. Oh man, it's super hot in here though. Hey, welcome to Texas, where you shouldn't be wearing sweaters indoors. I'm doing makeup.
Small
Oh, it's hot in here. It's because my room's the hottest in the house.
Sister.
So now that our eyelids are all primed, we're gonna go ahead and start with a green color. So I'm thinking like green and black for Slytherin, because it's like dark and kind of mysterious, but also like super cool, you know, because like that's what Slytherins are. So for the green, I have this Clinique. It's like a small, I don't even know if it's like a sample palette or something, but yeah. So I'm gonna take this shade here, and on the back it only lists 3 of the 4 shades. So it's either On a Safari, Lemongrass, or Buttered Toast Duo. But I don't actually know. Where are my brushes? Where is my super suit? I put it away. Okay. Alright, so the brushes I use are Eco Tools, and we're gonna go ahead and just take the Eco Tools shade brush, like it's literally called shade, and we're gonna go ahead and do that. Take the the darkest green, because that's the most Slytherin looking green, and we're gonna go ahead and put that on the crease, kind of. And I know we're doing it with the shade brush instead of the crease brush, but it'll make sense later, okay?
and, like, just pack that in there. Yes, I look like a very normal person, thank you.
Sorry, you probably can't see what I'm doing. But anyway, so I switched to the crease brush because I realized that I did make a mistake doing the shadow brush. That's okay. But yeah, so we're just going to switch to the crease brush and add in... There we go. Wow, I realize I have a lot more on this eye than the other eye. That's fine. We'll just take my finger and just get rid of that. Okay. So apparently using the shade brush did not make sense later. That's alright. Alright, so once we've done that, and I do want green to be also like the main part of like the eyelid, so we're going to go ahead and do a different shade for that. But right now, what we're going to go ahead and do is dun, 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 like a really nice black eyeshadow. So the one I'm going to use is from this Lancome palette. It's a little color design palette. It's very tiny, itty bitty, and there is, this is supposed to be the contour. So if you could see, it's like this top, like this top shade here. Yeah, it's supposed to be like a contour kind of thing, and it's black. So yeah, we're just gonna use that for the outer corner as well. So you have like the green showing on the, like on the back of your eyeshadow, I guess, and then the black kind of overlapping that. We're gonna use the blend tool, which that one might be a mistake using the blend tool as well, but you know, that's okay, because this is all a learning process. And just kind of, so I'm not in y'all's way. pack that towards the corner of the eyelid. And then we're doing that on both sides. And because it's like decently pigmented, you don't really need to go back and like keep reapplying it. Like, I think this is a pretty decent amount of black on your brush. So yeah, because like we're going for like a dark, smoky, sultry kind of look, you know? So I'm gonna add a little bit more green. But I'm gonna go in with a different green. It's going to be from this Victoria's Secret palette. I know, so many different palettes, I'm so sorry. It's from this Victoria's Secret palette, and it's this one, and there are no words. Yeah, there are no names of the shadows. So we're just gonna take this, I'm gonna call it like a dark forest green kind of one. Take the crease brush, get rid of excess powder on it. Yeah, and there's really not a lot of fallout. So we're gonna take that and then add it on top, on like the tops of our creases. Yep. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. Alright, go ahead, and this time I'm taking the shade brush and using it with a purpose. So, once again with the Victoria's Secret palette, I'm gonna go ahead, but I'm gonna go in with this like more mossy, kinda olive tone green. And I'm gonna take that and then pack that onto the center of my eyelid. Wow, that actually looks more like a mix of the black and green than the mix of the black and green. Looks like a mix of black and green. We'll take this greener green right here. This is, I'm guessing, the lemongrass like shade from the Clinique palette from earlier. Okay. And then pack that on the center. Oh yeah, so great. Actually, I like that color a lot better. So yeah, we're gonna do that for both eyes. And then we're gonna go ahead and take this buttered toast, shade buttered toast, and we're gonna go ahead and add that into the crease of our eyelid to go ahead and give it like a little highlight kind of thing, like a little pop of awakeness. Cool. And then another thing that I kind of like, you know, whenever I can get it right, is something I'm going to attempt to do now. So we're going to take this same brush, the smudge brush. We're going to take the Hunter Green from the Victoria's Secret palette, and we're going to go ahead and add that on the bottom of the eyelid. So like the bottom here. I have another mirror here, so I'm just going to look at that real quick, because I'm closer to, or I need to get closer precision. So that actually doesn't look half bad. I quite enjoy that. The eye look is so dark, I don't feel the need to go in with an eyeliner, because like I said, like this is dark enough. And honestly, like as cool as the wing would look, I just don't feel like it. So we're gonna go ahead and just add some mascara. So the mascara I'm gonna use is the Beauty Counter volumizing mascara, and we're just gonna put that on, and that'll be our look. And we're just gonna do the top mascara, not the top and bottom, because with the bottom I'll have a lot of like fallout with mascara. Any mascara, just give me any and it'll fall out. So yeah, so we're just doing tops. Alright, and this is the complete eye look. I actually kind of like this. I don't know where I'm going with this right now, because it's Saturday afternoon and the only thing I have to do is be sure to give my friend some cookies, so I'm not going anywhere. So yeah, but this is the complete eye makeup look. I hope you like it. And oh, if we're doing the whole face, of course we need freaking, what's it called, lipstick, because we do. But yeah, I think we're gonna go ahead and do the Desert Rose color from Elizabeth Arden. I quite enjoy her lipsticks, but the only thing I don't enjoy is that they're not cruelty free, so that means that they do animal testing. Okay guys, so this is the completed makeup look. Yeah, very green, but I really do, I enjoy the greenness. Okay, but yeah, so I hope y'all enjoy this. I know the makeup look is a lot of dark, but like I said, Slytherin inspired, so yeah, anyway, hope y'all like it, and if you do, give me a like and subscribe, and if not, I mean, that's cool too. You can just, like, go watch someone else's channel. So anyway, thank y'all so much, guys. Bye!